Are you tired of typing out long emails and wish there was a faster way? Today, I'm going to show you how to use dictation in Gmail, a game-changing feature that lets you turn your spoken words into text effortlessly. Whether you're on the go or just want to save time, this tool will make emailing faster and easier than ever. The first step is to install the Dictation for Gmail extension in Google Chrome. Just head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Dictation for Gmail, and click Add to Chrome. The installation is quick, and once it's done, you'll see the extension icon appear in your browser toolbar. Next, open Gmail in Chrome and log in. Click the Compose button to start a new email. Now comes the exciting part. At the bottom of the email window, you'll notice a small microphone icon. That's your key to hands-free typing. Click it to start dictation. Speak clearly and at a natural pace. Your words will appear on the screen in real time, almost like magic. You can pause or stop the dictation anytime by clicking the microphone again, giving you full control over your message. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can dictate emails effortlessly, saving yourself time and making your workflow smoother. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes, and you might find yourself relying on it more than typing. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to make your Gmail experience smarter and faster.